Today I'm going to be sharing 3 tasty and healthy salad recipes for weight loss, flawless skin and healthy body in general.
Now this is salad.
2, 3.
Hey buddies, having a healthy skin, hair and body is what we all strive for. Eating your greens is an intricate part of achieving this goal. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 healthy salad recipes to help you achieve your goal, buddy. Guys, this recipe is foolproof.
One of the many benefits of salad is that they are a natural source of fiber, which helps reduce bad cholesterol, in turn helping you maintain a healthy weight. The first step to making a healthy salad is to wash your vegetables. Vegetables are always dirty, especially when bought on the streets. Even when bought in the mall, you need to disinfect properly. I like using vinegar to disinfect mine. Salt is another good alternative. After washing, you set aside. The next step would be to go ahead and cut your vegetables into bite size. I love to cut my vegetables because cutting your vegetables make it more appealing to eat, especially if you're just getting into eating salads. You want a situation whereby you'll be able to pick up all your ingredients on your fork. So the size usually depends on the crunch effect that you're going for. For my carrots, I'm going to be using this grater to grate it. If you have onions in your salad, you want to make sure you cut it thinly in order for it to be caramelized by the lemon juice and the juice of the dressing. We're going to be using apple for the chicken salad, so I'm going to peel it and I'm going to add juice of lemon. Guys, one tip is if you want your apple not to go brown, squeeze in the juice of lemon and it will stay fresh and crisp. Cherry tomatoes are also a good way to add flavor and color to your salad. They just burst into your mouth. Aside from its creaminess, avocado also adds a great dose of healthy fat to your salad. Now that our ingredients are all washed, prepped and set aside, we're going to move to building the salad. Prepping the salad ingredients earlier makes the process of building the salad faster. The first salad we're going to build is our chicken salad, and the base will be lettuce topped with cucumber. Then I'm going to layer in my apple for sweetness and crunch. It has been pre-cut and preserved with lemon juice. Next, we're going to add in some protein. Today we're going to be using chicken breast, which has been pre-seasoned and cooked. Now you just want to layer more lettuce till you're satisfied. It is important that you're adding more greens to your salad because greens do not contain cholesterol and they are naturally low in calorie and sodium. Next, you toss the salad to combine all the ingredients.
Guys, the croutons goes in last. It is just carbs. Guys, carbs are not your enemy, honestly. You can have like a small portion of carbs in your salad to make it that much more interesting.
The next step is the salad dressing. This was homemade by me with Greek yogurt, juice of 2 small lemon, dry pepper, ginger salad and salt. You want to make sure that you're ready to eat your salad before dressing it to ensure that the salad stays fresh and crunchy.
Guys, now this is salad.
The next salad is this creamy and delicious avocado salad. We're going to start layering by adding white cabbage, purple cabbage, some cucumber, 1 sliced hard-boiled egg, after which we'll top it off with the creamy avocado. Other benefit of salad is that it helps bowel movement and it's also shown to reduce the risk of some cancers including colorectal cancer, breast cancer, mouth and throat cancer. Then you want to toss to combine.
So for the dressing of the salad, I have here olive oil, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt and lemon.
Making a salad dressing is healthier for you because you'll be able to pick and choose the healthy condiments like oil, herbs, lemon and vinegar. which assists the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. After adding my dressing, I just toss it up a bit before giving it a taste, and I assure you it was yummy. The last salad on the list is the sweet and crunchy corn salad. Starting off with cucumber as the base, I topped it up with some shredded carrots. Then I went in with spinach for a healthier option. Salad contains carotene, which helps with eyesight. It also contains other nutrients which improves muscle performance. I topped our corn salad with cherry tomatoes. Then I'm going in for the main ingredient, which is the corn. Chickpea was the major source of protein in this salad, and I added my finely sliced onions, and I topped it up with my dressing. You guys, this salad tasted like heaven in my mouth. Other benefits of salad is that they protect your heart, they help your skin tone. Common mistakes being made while making salad is using the wrong dressing and the wrong protein. Sometimes the dressing and protein that are store-bought might be over-processed.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I can't wait to devour my earthy, beautiful and delicious bowl of salad. It has chickpea in it, it has corns, it has cucumber, and it has thinly sliced onions. Guys, this bowl is delicious. Don't forget to incorporate these salad recipes into your healthy meal routine. However, glow up is not just internal. You need to look good also, girls. So if you'd like to know how I style this modest pieces, watch this next video. Bye! Proof.